this section we will see what is FlexWrap. FlexWrap is basically used when you run out of space in the container, then only it is used. So let me show you with an example. In this HTML, you can see we have this container, and inside this container we have these 4 images. Okay, now let's go to our CSS and let's select our container and let's give it a width of 1000 pixel, margin 0 and auto to center it, and also let's set a background. Let's set padding as well, 2 RAM. And now let's come over here and you can see this. The images are coming up like this, and now let's use display flex to this container. And let me fix these images first. I'm going to select our container image and let's set the width of the image to be 400 pixel, and also the height of the image should not go more than 300 pixel. Okay, so now you can see this is looking something like this, and let's create some gap over here between the images, and now it is like this. So now you can see the width of the container is 1000 pixel only, and the images width are set to 400 pixel. And in this case, display flex managed to fit the element inside the container, but it has failed to do so because of the width of the image is larger than the width of the container. That's why we are seeing this image is being overflown from the container. The basic idea of FlexWrap is when you run out of a space in your container, then you can use FlexWrap property. So let's use here FlexWrap, and the first value of FlexWrap is no wrap. When you set this to no wrap, then you can see nothing will change because it is the default value. And now let's set this to wrap and let's hit save. You can now see the images are taking 400 pixel of width and the image got a stretch, so I'm going to use object fit to cover. Now you can see all these images are taking the width of 400 pixel. It is not being overflown from anywhere. And now if I show you in inspect and if I load the size of the window, and here you can see the container will run out of space and the image got wrapped up over here. So this is the basic use of FlexWrap. When you run out of space in your parent container, then you can use this FlexWrap property. Okay, and we have another value which is flex reverse. So let's set this to flex reverse. Before hitting save, look at the image first. This one has a lake and this main is here, and if I hit save now, and now you can see the order of the wrap has been changed. So this is how wrap reverse work. Alright, so now it is challenge time. And by using FlexWrap, you have to create this card, and if I show you this in inspect, then you can see it is responsive as well. Okay, so this is what you need to create in this section, and this is the challenge, so give it a shot, and in the next section we will be creating this together.